What is the best time to meditate? Some teachers, or many teachers, suggest doing it first thing in the morning, 20 minutes when you get up. But I say, try different times of the day. So perhaps try the morning, but if it doesn't suit you, then try perhaps at lunchtime finding a quiet spot. Maybe go for a walk to a local park or find a quiet room in your workplace. And if that doesn't work, try it when you get home at the end of the day. And again, if that doesn't work, try it in the middle of the evening. Even if you have a family, you can wander off for 5 minutes and spend some time meditating. And finally, you can try it last thing at night. When you turn the light off, lying in bed with your eyes closed, you can focus on the breath. So give it a shot, try it at different times of the day and see which one works best for you, because it's all about making it work on your terms, and then you're more likely to meditate regularly.